Hello traders, today we want to talk about how to combine the RSI indicator and price action. How to combine the RSI indicator and the price action. The title of this video is a Forex trader explains how to combine the RSI indicator and the price action. All right, so here we are. So whenever we are using any technical indicator, we want to know the ultimate role of that technical indicator. So the ultimate role of the RSI indicator is to identify bullish and bearish financial instrument. All right, so that's the ultimate role of the relative strength index indicator. The RSI is not about finding overbought or oversold financial instrument. The ultimate role of the RSI is to identify financial instruments that are bullish and financial instruments that are bearish. With that knowledge, we will be able to use the RSI indicator or the RSI oscillator more accurately. All right. So when the RSI is above the level of 50, you can see here, it's above 50, it's indicating to us that the financial instrument is bullish. It's indicating to us that the market sentiment relating to that financial instrument is bullish. As you can see here, the RSI period 14, which I have on my chart here, was above 50. You see the red line here, that's the level of 50. It's above 50, indicating to us that the financial instrument has a more chance to display higher lows and higher highs. And you will notice that the price will be in a rising channel at the same time when the RSI is above 50. In that scenario, we want to trade on the edge of a bullish trend line, and when we see a bullish trading setup, we must implement a top-down trading method. So in a rising channel, we want to try to display a higher high, a new higher high, and to retest the edge of the rising channel. Hold on please traders, I will be back in a minute. Alright, so how do we trade in a rising channel? So we want to try to display a new higher high and then to pull back to retest the edge of the rising channel, or we try to form a bullish chart pattern while the RSI is above 50. Alright, another way that we can trade it when the RSI is above 50, we want the price to break above a resistance. Okay, so here you see there was a resistance here. Price breaks above this resistance and was trying to retest it here. So breaks above, retest. That's one scenario when the RSI is above 50. Or the RSI form a bullish chart pattern, or the RSI display a new higher high and then form a higher low after that. When we identify a bullish trading setup, breaks above, retest, or a new higher high followed by a higher low or a bullish chart pattern, it is compulsory that we use a top-down trading method, a multiple time frame trading method to trade it. This is about Forex trader explain how to combine the RSI and the price action. Here we are combining the RSI above 50 with a bullish market pattern, a rising channel. So stay with me, I haven't finished yet. You will notice also that the RSI was below 50. You can see here it's stuck below the level of 50, indicating to us that this financial instrument, I'm looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar on the monthly chart, has a high chance to continue to go down. So how do we trade it? We want to trade it, all right? Price breaks below, here it is, we do the opposite. So there is a support here. This is price changing direction. This is a support level. We want the price to break below a support level and then to retest here. Do you see that? Breaks below and retest, and then we implement a top down trading method to sell it. RSI below 50, price breaks below a key support level and retest it and find a resistance. We implement a top down trading method to sell it. Alright? Or the RSI is below 50, price form a new higher low, a new lower low, correction, the price form a new lower low and pull back to retest the edge of the declining channel while the RSI is still below the level of 50. As you can see here, the price formed a new lower low, but as it was retesting the edge of the declining channel, the RSI is now above 50. So this is not a good sell signal. So in this case, we'll put a big question mark on this trading and on this bearish trading setup, because the RSI is now back above the level of 50. When the RSI is above 50, it's indicating to us that the financial instrument has a high chance to go up. Alright, so in normal condition, we will prefer it if it is below the level of 50, that the price form a new lower low and then rally up. This was a better scenario here. Hold on, please. It rally up to retest the edge of the declining channel. See here? So if after you form this low here, you see trying to go near the high, couldn't reach it, and the people sold it here. It's finished. Now the RSI is above 50. The market sentiment is now changing from bearish to bullish. So in order to trade the RSI indicator with the price action, we must combine the RSI trading with the three market pattern: the rising channel, the declining channel, and the last one is the horizontal channel. Looking at what is happening now, we can see that there is another channel here, though we are still in a declining channel. There is this green channel, can you see here? It's what we call the horizontal channel. The price now consolidating. Though the RSI is above 50, all right? If the current market pattern is horizontal channel, it's an horizontal channel, we will be ready to buy and to sell at the same time. All right? We will be giving priority to bearish signal above the consolidation zone, and we will be giving priority to bullish signal near the low of the consolidation zone. So here it is. So though the RSI is above 50, looking at the price action itself, looking at the price structure, we have an horizontal channel. Therefore, we will be giving priority to bearish signal near the high of the consolidation, and we will be giving priority to bearish signal below. All right? We will be giving priorities to bullish signal near the low of the consolidation. One should always combine the price action or the market pattern or the price structure with the RSI above or below 50. When the RSI is above 50 and the price is rising channel, we are giving priority to bullish signal alone. When the RSI is below 50, we are giving priority to bearish signal alone. But when the RSI is above or below 50, but the market pattern is a consolidation, we give priority to bullish signal near the low of the consolidation, and we will be giving priority to bearish signal near the high of the consolidation. This is about a Forex trader. Explain how to combine the RSI indicator and the price action. This will allow us to avoid trading mistake, especially the RSI trading mistake. So where we are now looking at the Australian dollar, US dollar, the current market is a balanced market or a consolidation. Professionals are looking for opportunity to sell near the high of the consolidation and will be ready to cash out first profit, to take the first profit near the median line of the consolidation. That's where we are now. You can see that as they sold it here at the top of the consolidation, which is normal, though the RSI is above 50, the price structure is horizontal. They are giving priority to bear signal near the top. They will take first profit near the median line. So the top of this current consolidation, hold on please, is 07600. 07600 if one is trading the Australian dollar, US dollar. The low of that consolidation is at 07126. The median line is near 07344. All right, so first profit is now taken near that median line. That's the line here, it's near the median line. So they took the first profit here. If they want to continue to sell it, if it breaks below that median line and find a resistance, remember, breaks below, retest, implement a top down trading method. If it breaks below this one and retest it, we'll continue to sell it, boom, down to the lower part of the consolidation. Does not mean that because they start selling it at the top, it will definitely reach the lower part of the consolidation. Does not mean that. All right. So here we are now. You see, it's finding a bit of support near the median line. Though the RSI is above 50, the market pattern is a consolidation. This is how one should use it. But now, if the price finds support here, in order to give priority to bullish signal alone, the price must come out of the declining channel. Will he come out of the declining channel? Will he find support above the median line at 07344 and then breaks above that consolidation and form the first higher low or the first bullish chart pattern above this red trend line. But the first thing that we need to consider is the price structure, the consolidation that is taking place here. So if one is buying near the median line, one should be careful. Though the RSI is above 50, the price structure is a balanced market. So at this point in time, what can we say to trader? We will say to trader where the price is now prior to bullish signal above the median line 07344 up to the top of the consolidation. If we did a priority to bear signal below the median line down to the lower part of the consolidation at 07126. In all cases, it is very, very important to use a top-down trading method or a multiple time frame trading method. Personally, I will prefer this Australian dollar to continue to go down, even come all the way down to 06452. I will prefer that, or at least near the level of 06852. I would prefer that it continue to go down more, before finding a support. All right, that remains to be seen. This is about a Forex trader. Explain how to combine the RSI indicator and price action. If you have any question or suggestion, put in the comment section, and in due course, I will be recording another video to answer your specific question. We wish you the very best in your trading, and until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Combining the RSI and the price action is about aligning the RSI above 50 with a rising channel, breaks the above, retesting around, or price forming a higher low, and then exhibiting the higher price, exhibiting a higher high, a new higher high, and then followed by a higher low on the edge of a trend line or near a support level. RSI below 50, we were looking for break below, retesting around, or price forming a new lower low before retesting the edge of the declining channel that will constitute a bearish trading setup. Then we will implement a top-down trading method. But when the RSI is retesting the edge of the top of the declining channel, the RSI must stay below the level of 50. Here, as you can see, as he was retesting the edge, is now back above the 50, giving us a warning to be a little bit cautious. Happy trading to you all, and speak to you soon. We are the TSTW24 traders talking about Forex trader explains how to combine RSI indicator and the price action. Speak to you soon.